Hello players! For configuration calculation model version 2 professional, to play in your round of Global Management Challenge, you need to go through the checklist and make sure that all preparation points are completed. Checklist. The first. You need to create a new folder on your computer and copy calculation model into it. The second. Download history of the company for new round from the website and copy files in the folder with calculation model. The third. Rename company history files with new names like first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter and fifth quarter, where first quarter is the first quarter of history and fifth quarter is the last. The fourth. Open file first quarter. In cell W3 is indicated scenario code for new round, for example 70C1. Each game scenario has its own distinctive features, so it is extremely important not to confuse them with each other. The fifth. Open calculation model on sheet config. The E1 cell will contain scenario code for which model is currently configured. This code must match the scenario code from the company's history. If they are different, model will not work correctly and you will not be able to use it effectively in preparing decisions in the new round. The sixth. If scenario code of the model and scenario code of the history are equal, then skip this step. If codes are different, then you need to load configuration worksheet for new scenario into the model. You can purchase configuration worksheet in our store. Open configuration worksheet and copy cells with data. Then open calculation model on sheet config and pass data in the same range by inserting values. Now model uses actual configuration data to work with new scenario. The 7. Open calculation model on sheet 1. Click on button Insert History, the cell R90. Model will insert company's history data from files first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, fifth quarter. Click on button Clear Decision, cell O93. Model will delete management reports data and prepare sheets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to calculate decisions. Attention that calculation model version 2 professional uses Visual Basic macros. Don't forget to activate macros in Microsoft Excel for correct operation of the calculation model. Thank you very much.